Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in the session we are going to discuss heuristic search techniques in artificial intelligence. So along with the basic introduction to this technique, I will definitely share with you its key characteristics and some reasons that why we should use this technique in AI. So now let's just start the session. So at first students, you should note what is the meaning of heuristic search. So basically heuristic search is nothing but it is a problem solving technique that uses heuristics, or we can say that uses some rules of thumb to guide the search process toward its solution more efficiently. Alright. Heuristic students are basically used when an exhaustive search is too slow or computationally expensive. Then we use heuristic techniques. And if we talk about heuristic search in AI, it basically aims to improve the search for solution just by estimating the closeness of current state to a goal state using an evaluation function. So here evaluation function plays an important role. All right. Other than this, if you uh, if you know about heuristic search, we all know it plays an important role in every searching methods. So in case of artificial intelligence, heuristic search techniques offers practical methods for solving the complex problems where the traditional algorithms may be inefficient or infeasible. All right, where any traditional methods seems to be inefficient or infeasible, then definitely we should go for heuristic search techniques in AI. All right, this method is good enough to find the reasonable solution, to find a good solution in a reasonable amount of time, especially for problems with large search spaces or real time constraints. Then we definitely use heuristic search algorithms. All right. So other than this students, we have some key characteristics. So the first key characteristic include guided by heuristic function, efficient search, problem specific knowledge or approximate solution. So the first key characteristic is the guided by a heuristic function. So a heuristic function estimates how close a given state is to the goal state, influencing the choice of which state to explore. That is the guided by a heuristic function. Another is efficient search. So basically, this characteristic focuses on promising areas of the search space. It reduces the time and effort needed compared to exhaustive searches. Another key characteristic is problem specific knowledge. This particular characteristic helps or relies on domain specific rules or estimates which can vary depending on the nature of the problem. All right. Another is approximate solutions. So while heuristic search often provides good solutions, the quality depends on the accuracy of the heuristics. That's why we need approximate solutions. Some techniques ensure optimality under certain conditions like A star. Okay, we have used A star search algorithm. So this particular technique ensures optimality under certain conditions. So these are the key characteristics. Now, other than this, we have some other reasons why we should use heuristic search techniques. The first reason can be efficiency in large search spaces. Let me write this first. Efficiency in large search spaces. So AI problems often involve vast search spaces with numerous possible states. We have so many possible states like pathfinding. In case of pathfinding, puzzle solving, scheduling, we have so many possible states. All right. So heuristic search narrows the search space by focusing just on the promising paths the required paths, or significantly reducing the computational time and resources requirements. Another reason of using heuristic search method is it incorporates domain knowledge. What does it mean? It means heuristics use problem specific insight to guide the search. For example, in a navigation system, in a navigation system, the heuristic might estimate the straight line distance to the destination, which is more effective than blindly exploring all the routes. That is taken under the incorporates domain knowledge. Next reason of using this technique is that it solves the problems with unknown or infinite states. Alright, so students, many AI problems involve unknown or infinite states. Like if we talk about games like chess, we have a game named Go. Okay, so these problems have infinite states or unknown states, we can say. So heuristic techniques such as A star or alpha beta pruning technique, they provide practical solution. They provide a practical solution by intelligently prioritizing the exploration. That is why we should use the heuristic search techniques under AI. Another is the fourth reason of using this technique is balancing speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. All right. So heuristic search techniques often trade off some accuracy for faster results, making them ideal for time sensitive or real world applications. All right. For example, a delivery app may prioritize finding a good enough route quickly rather than the absolute optimal route. That is how they balance speed and accuracy. Fifth reason is it enables optimization. It enables optimization. So many AI tasks involve optimization, like finding the shortest path, like finding the shortest path, minimal cost, maximum rewards. All right. So heuristic search excels in optimization tasks just by directing efforts toward areas that are more likely to yield better solutions. Last but not the least reason of using this technique is this particular thing is very much practical for real world applications. Like if we talk about pathfinding, like GPS navigation, robotics, if we talk about games like chess engine, strategy games, Go games, okay. Another than this, we can use this technique in planning and scheduling the resources, रिसोर्स एलोकेशन लॉजिस्टिक्स में इसको यूज किया जाता है. Then we have problem solving puzzles like traveling salesman problem. That is a very common problem in computer science. We have discussed this problem earlier, right? So all these are some practical real world apps that are totally based on this particular technique. So I hope students, with the help of this session, you have now a clear idea about what is the meaning of heuristic search technique. Some reasons I have shared with you, that why we should use this technique in real world applications, and some key characteristics of this technique is also discussed. So I hope everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment below. I will surely give you a reply. So thank you so much.